You might think that being grown is all about paying the bills and living the free, unrestricted life. But no, being grown is about realizing that nobody, absolutely nobody, is coming to save you. That your life, your future, your success is all in your hands, and you need to take responsibility and accountability for everything you do. There comes a moment when you realize that you are grown, not just older, not just taller, but grown. The shift in the mindset, it's about waking up early even when you don't feel like it. It's about making that appointment, showing up for yourself every day because you have a dream. It's stepping into responsibility, making choices that your younger self never ever thought you could. It's about balancing life, school life, life in general, and still finding time for yourself. It is knowing that not everyone is meant to stay in your life, and that is enough. That shift in mindset and that change in self concept is everything. Being grown is so exciting. That thinking, that thought of the first apartment, the moment you realize that I got this and I can do this and my life is in my arms, I should take responsibility of my future, of my success, and that no one is gonna come and save me. That's when you know that you are grown. I am grown and I'm still learning, still figuring things out. But one thing for sure, I've come a long way and I'm just getting started. So yeah, guys, this beat is me practicing my grown woman makeup look because I am about to step in my grown woman age, and I am about to make big moves. So yeah, with everything that comes with being grown and with every challenges that come with age, I just want to let you know that you got this, you can do it, and you've done unimaginable things. You've done amazing things, and you can do this. Okay, you can do this. We all can do this. Everyone that is older than you have done this, and they survived. And you can do it. I can do it. We can do it. This is my grown one beat, and yeah, I'm just practicing for the future. It's not for the future. I'm already, I'm already grown, but yeah, I'm just practicing because I've been doing a whole lot of things entering into my grown age. And yeah, I'm just practicing. And if this makeup came out good, if this video was helpful, I can give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here. And yeah, the hair, the grandma hairstyle, everything. The, the shift, the mindset shift is everything, guys. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And yeah, this is the end result. And I look so girl. No too much this time. This is my girl woman makeup look, and I'm gonna be practicing it. And there's a lot of things on this channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, it's an honor. Thank you for watching to this end. Bye.